Can you see this? It's so beautiful. It's actually video of a jungle. And you see so many different plants of different color and the rainfall, the sound of the rainfall. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Even sound of different animals also really attracts us. Now, all these visuals and the sound which you are getting, they make us feel so relaxed, isn't it? Well, how do you really feel all these things? Well, to feel all these things, you need to have the capacity to see and the capacity to hear, isn't it? And these are very important parts of our body. Actually, not only these two, we have 5 senses in our body. So while you were able to see because of the sense of sight, and you were able to hear all those sounds because of the sense of sound. But apart from that, we also have sense of taste, sense of touch, and sense of smell. So let's see what these 5 senses are. Now, if you close your eyes, will you be able to see anything? Not really. So if you close your eyes, then you cannot see. That means eyes give us the sense of sight. That is, eyes help us to see things. So, eyes are sense organs because they give us the sense of sight. So, eyes are one of the sense organs in our body. Now, if you close your ears, what exactly will happen? Well, if you close your ears, then you cannot hear. So, ears give you the capacity to hear. Now, that means whenever we need to hear, we need to have our ears open. Only then we can hear. So, ears help us to hear things. That is, they give us the sense of sound. And because they give us the sense of sound, they are also sense organs. So, ears are sense organs because they give us sense of sound. Now, you have so many smells all around you. If you want to smell the fragrance of a flower, well, you will have to use your nose, isn't it? And what about perfume? Even for that, you will use your nose. And all the food that attracts you from a distance, what exactly is attracting you? It's smell, isn't it? So, smell is very important in our lives. Now, what about the bad smells? Even for bad things, you need sense of smell, because only if you can smell something bad, you will be able to keep yourself away from it, or you will be knowing that you need to wash that thing or clean that thing. So a sense of smell is also important to keep away from bad things. Now, if you close your nose, what exactly will happen with you? Well, you cannot smell. So nose give you the ability to smell. So nose help us to sense smell. That is, nose give us sense of smell. And that is why nose is a sense organ, because it gives you the sense of smell. Now, how do these food taste? For example, French fries or chips or even butter. What are the taste of these? Well, these are salty, isn't it? Now, let's see another set of food. You have ice creams and you have chocolates. Now, how do these taste? Well, these are sweet. Now, how do these taste? Well, this is bitter gourd, these are tablets, and this is a syrup. Well, usually these things are bitter. So that's another type of taste. And what about these? Such as lemons, the kiwi fruit, the gooseberry, tamarind. All these are sour. So you see, all these different things have different tastes. So some things are salty, some things are sweet, some are bitter, and some are sour. So how do you differentiate between all these? Because you have the sense of taste. And because you have the sense of taste, you are able to identify which is salty, which is sweet, which is bitter, and which is sour. Now, if I keep this dish in front of you, can you tell me the taste of this dish? Not really. Because for that, you will have to place some of it on your tongue. Only when you place this food on your tongue, you will be able to identify the taste of it. So you see, tongue is the organ which gives you the sense of taste. Tongue helps us identify different tastes and it gives us sense of taste. So tongue is also a sense organ because it gives us sense of taste. Now tell me, which organ is responsible for sense of taste? We just came to know that it is the tongue. So tongue is the organ which gives us sense of taste. Now, if we have these things in front of us, for example, a soft toy and some stones. Now, if I blindfold you and ask you to identify these things, will you be able to identify which one is which? Well, you can. If you touch these things, then you will identify that the soft toy is soft and fluffy to touch, and the stone is hard and rough to touch. And in that manner, you will be able to differentiate which one is which. Now, if I keep in front of you these two stones, then will you be able to identify? Because both are stones. Even then, when you touch them, you will find that this is hard and rough, while this is hard but smooth. And that way, you will be able to identify that this is the rough stone and this is the smooth stone. So again, by touching, you are able to differentiate between two things. Now, what about these two buckets of water? If you are blindfolded, will you be able to identify which one is warm water and which one is cold water? Well, if you touch it, then you will definitely identify that this one is hot while this one is cold. So by touching, you are again able to identify the same thing where the only difference is one is hot and one is cold. So you see, sense of touch gives us information about a lot of things. So by touching different things, you will be able to identify that this thing is rough, this is smooth, this is hard, this is bumpy, and this is soft. So all this thing, how you are able to identify? By touching it. And that is why sense of touch is another important sense in our body. And what gives us sense of touch? Well, it is our skin. Skin is the one which gives us sense of touch. So you see, skin is also a sense organ because it is giving us sense of touch. So you see, all the different senses in our body, all the 5 senses in our body are very important because all of these give us capability to identify different things. So sense of sight is given by the eyes. Sense of sound is given by the ears. Sense of smell we get from the nose. Sense of touch we get from the skin. And sense of taste we get from the tongue. And together they are the 5 senses of our body.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.